Hello, we are going to be doing a fun winter science experiment today called the snowstorm in a jar experiment. So to make this experiment happen, you need a jar and you need some baby oil, water, white paint, some Alka-Seltzer, and some glitter. Okay, if you're ready, you put baby oil inside of a jar. Now you want to go a little bit more than halfway, maybe about 3/4 of the way, a little somewhere between there, kind of like how mine is here. Okay, and baby oil smells really good, so go ahead and give it a smell. It smells nice. Let's get all of our senses involved here. Okay, next you'll want about 1 cup of water, and then you'll want to put in maybe about half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of white paint, and then you're going to mix them together, which I have already done, and you'll see it kind of looks like milk. So what you do next is you're going to pour that right into your jar. Oh, and check that out. What? It's not mixing? What? Oh wait, oil and water cannot mix together. Nope, they stay separate, which is why you'll see that all of our white paint water has settled to the bottom of the jar. That's exciting. Oh, whoops, there's a little bit more in there. There you go. Get in there, okay. Oh, look at that. The snowstorm is already starting a little. But well, if you want to make this a little more fun, you can just do it like this. That's fine, but it's always fun to add some glitter. Now, my silver glitter is at home, but here at school I have some red glitter, so you know what? I can add red glitter, that's fine. Whatever color glitter you want to add, go for it. It's your experiment. Okay, so I put that in there. Sometimes just having some glitter in there makes it a little more fun and exciting. See, look at that, it's already exciting. Boom, there it goes, sinking to the bottom. Oh, so exciting. Okay, then you're gonna need your Alka-Seltzer, or perhaps I should say sodium bicarbonate antacid. Not that I have sponsors, but there we go. Okay, take your tablet out. Okay, and then you wanna break it up into little pieces, maybe about 4 pieces, so that'd be 4/4. And then plop, and watch the magic happen. Ooh, take a look at that. It's a snowstorm in a jar. That's exciting. And, oh wow, that's really still going. That's fun. You can add another one in there, see what happens. This is exciting. You can even hear it fizzing too. Actually, let's see. Can we show the top of that there? Whoop. Take a look at that. So exciting. Well, friends, that is the snowstorm in a jar experiment.